Today I'm going to show you how to back up your old phone to your brand new phone you just bought. There's a lot of difficulty within this process, but I'll try and make it as simple as possible. When you get your new phone, you want to set it up as new. If you have an iCloud backup, you want to click Restore from iCloud Backup. Now, it doesn't always work for some odd reason, but if it doesn't, there's another option for you. You can click Transfer directly from my iPhone. So if your old iPhone is working properly, you can push this button and a barcode will actually pop up and allow you to scan the barcode and transfer everything over Bluetooth. Now, if your Wi-Fi or your Bluetooth or something's not working, don't worry, we can help you out. But try at home first to do it yourself with these two options, and if you can't, just come on in, we'll walk you through it. Thanks so much, we'll see you soon.